But then again, you have the issue when you get to put it on social, so it's like...
Yeah.
Hi!
Hello.
How you doing, Michael?
I'm very good, thank you.
He sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muppets away.
Oh dear.
Oh, there's a spider.
Okay, good evening everyone. So as you can see, we are here at Doncaster Fear Factory. Now, we had representatives here 2 weeks ago at the press night, but yeah, everyone raved about it and we were nearby, so we thought we'd pop in. So we have just whizzed round all the mazes. I love Friargate Foundry, that was excellent fun. There's a lot going on in there. There was a great atmosphere. We came to the press night last year, and because there's only a few people there's not much of an atmosphere. It's like short queues. But here on a busy Saturday night, you can see the people queuing outside. The atmosphere in there, there's dance troops, there's music everywhere, there's people screaming. So yeah, it is interesting when, you know, press nights are good for being press nights, but sometimes it's really nice to come on a live night and actually experience it with everyone else, because it is a completely different feel to last year. Also, Diabolus has had some changes in. Obviously, that was hooded last year, it's no longer hooded. Made it feel a little bit shorter because obviously you go slow with the hoods on. When you haven't got the hoods on, you move through quicker. But all in, it's been an absolutely fantastic night here at Fear Factory. Just want to say thank you to Laurie and the team here for letting us pop in. Again, as I said, they've already done the press night, but we were close and couldn't resist coming along. So we've had a great time, and we will see you at our next event.